It's a 2017 BMW X3. Whether your instincts lead you to unpaved roads or just down the to-do list, this X3 delivers on what you need. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, full-service internet access, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver memory seats, and integrated navigation system. Edmunds.com highlights its excellent handling, pleasing power delivery, high-quality cabin, accommodating rear seat, abundant cargo space for its size. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
For your cure for the common commute, visit today. We're conveniently located at 11185 Alpharetta Highway in Roswell, Georgia.